Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. Different video today. I'm not going to be reviewing anything, no waxes or polishes today, but I will be going to a car show on Sunday. Now today is Friday and I've just had a look at the car and it's a bit dusty. It's been in the garage for a week or two and I've not used it, so really I need to get it out the garage and give it a quick wash. Now if you fancy coming along to the car show with me, coming for a ride out and having a look round, stick with the video. But before we go, I think I ought to just give it a quick wash. well, thanks for coming along with me to the car show. I really enjoyed it. Some lovely classics there. If you like this type of video, let me know in the comments. And if I get enough people who have enjoyed it, I'll probably do a few more. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please just click the subscribe button. It is free to subscribe, and every subscription really helps the channel grow. So until the next one, I'll catch you then.